Hi everyone, so today I am filming the clean girl makeup look that has been trending all over TikTok, as most of you know. What I get from this look is super cute, rosy cheeks, dewy face, clean, put together, not overbearing makeup, which I love because I'm not like a huge eyeshadow crazy thick makeup type of girl. I like supernatural makeup, so this is right up my alley. So this is obviously the look I'm doing, so if you are interested, keep watching. The first thing I like to do to get my skin ready for clean girl makeup is I love to gua sha. I'm no crazy gua sha expert, but this is just my routine, what I've learned on the internet. So the first thing that I do is take this jojoba oil and I just put a couple of drops into my hand. Oh no. And then just put it all over my face. And my skin drinks this up really well, so it does not leave my makeup greasy. But if you have more oily skin, obviously I would try it before going out. But for me, it doesn't bother me whatsoever. And also I ate gluten yesterday, so I have like this red rash going on. I don't know if you can tell. So just again, ignore that. So I feel like gua sha has really been just like snatching my face up. I run super puffy, so this has been such a crucial part of my routine. So this is just what I do. Like I said, I'm no pro, just what works for me. Okay, we are all gua sha'd now, ready to go. As you can see, my skin drank up that oil really well. I don't need to put a primer on because I have the oil, so I'm good to go. Also, one thing I always like to do to make me feel like a clean girl is just like slick my hair back in a bun and a ponytail, just slick everything back and make it look super clean. And that's what I like to do. Also, sorry for the kind of weird angle. Couldn't film in my little vanity area over there because lighting was not as good, so I thought we would move here. So first thing we're going to start off with is foundation. I use the Armani Luminous Silk foundation in the color 5.5 right now because I am a little bit paler, and this is so light coverage, which I love because it doesn't make you look super thick and cakey, and that's how you get that clean girl look. So I'm just going to pat this all over my face lightly. And it is definitely buildable if you want to keep building it. If you have some spots that you need to hide. I'm just gonna rub this all in. And now that I put my foundation on, I'm just taking this beauty blender. I like to pat it all in just to make sure everything's all blended in well and together. I'm super rough on my face, so don't mind me, I just have a rough hand in general. Next I have concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color 16N, Fair Light Neutral. So what I do is I just put this on the inner part of my eye just because I do have darker eyes for some reason. Just like that. I'm going to take my beauty blender and I kind of just like to make a little V with the concealer and then do it right along the eye right there just to kind of give it that opening eye effect. Now that my concealer is all blended out, I take this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in 2 medium. And I don't like to bake just because I don't want it to look super cakey. Like I said, it's supposed to be a clean girl makeup look. And I just set under my eyes just so my concealer does not crease. And then on the sides of my nose, and then the sides of my lips, or mouth I should say. Just my areas that tend to crease a lot. Good, cute, doesn't look cakey, but we're still keeping it dewy, we're still keeping it so we don't crease, you know, you get the deal. So next, my favorite part, I'm using the NARS Laguna cream bronzer. A little goes a long way with this stuff. I love bronzing my face up since I'm pale all the time, so I just put this in one time. I'm going to dab just because I'm scared to do a lot. This stuff does go a long way. Right on that cheekbone. I'm gonna do a little bit on the forehead. You can always add, you cannot subtract. So I go in very cautiously. I like to connect and kind of like make a 3. And then lately with the cream bronzer, I've been just taking this little shadow brush that I have and very lightly doing the tiniest little nose contour, just because I feel like it makes the face flow way better. I don't know, just doing it to do it really. And then I've been taking a tiny bit like that and then going kind of just in the eye area and buffing it out. If it looks like too much, just with my finger, take it out. I'm done with that. I'm gonna go in with a powder bronzer just to kind of make sure everything's set in place. So I'm going in with this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in this Sephora Pro powder brush, number 50. I'm just gonna go in, like I said, very lightly because I want this look to be super clean. Do a little bit down the neck just so everything matches. Now my favorite step of it all, I'm obsessed with blush. I have this NARS Orgasm Liquid Blush and the Sephora 64 brush. I love this brush so much for this blush. That's a tongue twister. But I just literally take the tiniest little dab and put it on there because with these cream products, liquid, a little goes a long way. So I just put a couple dots on there and on there. And then just kind of do the smile so I know where to apply. A little bit of my temples, give me that natural glow, and on my nose. And I keep brushing it in. Brushing it in. And then if I feel like it's not enough, I'll put a tiny bit more. Like very tiny. Oh, that might have been too much. Now the face is all done, and next we have eyebrows. I feel like a clean, nice eyebrow is always key to a nice, clean, fresh face. So I comb those out. I'm just taking this so old brown eyeshadow that I have from MAC and the super old Sephora eyebrow brush. I don't even know the names of them because they're faded off. But I just go in and fill my brows just a little bit because I don't have like the thickest, most amazing brows, but we can try and make them look decent, right? So brows are all filled in. I'm taking this Essence brow gel just to hold them in place because my eyebrows have a mind of their own and they like to go everywhere. So I just comb them all out. Now my next step is I take this brown eyeshadow in this Master palette by Mario, which is so old as well, and I go in with this color right here, Violetta, and then this angled It Cosmetics brush, and I literally just put a little flick on the end of my eye. Show you. I feel like it's kind of hard to do on camera. I connect it. Hold on, give me a second. I know how that looks. I'm being kind of like blinded by these lights right now. My background lighting. so it's kind of hard. Hold on. Oh, this is better. And I don't really like black because I feel like it's too harsh for like a nice light look like this, so I just do a nice light brown. Sorry if you can hear those geese. But this is the eyes. Cute. Now I'm going in with a highlighter. I have this Drawer Cosmetics highlighter in Skinny Dip. Just looks like that. I take a fan brush over my blush, and then my brow bone, inner corner, tip of my nose, tip of my mouth. You know the drill. Why do I keep saying that? Why is that happening? But next I take eyelash curler. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to use the Roller Lash mascara. Now mascara is done, and we have lips. So I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury iconic lip color in Pillow Talk, and just lining my lips. I love this one because it's just such a clean, simple, good lip liner. I need to freaking sharpen it. Then we have Pillow Talk lipstick. Last but not least, Pillow Talk gloss. We have the whole little trio. And now to top off the whole look, we have our Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So we're just going to spray ourselves. Dry it up. And here you have super simple, cute, clean, put together makeup every day, and it does not take long whatsoever. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.